That tastes raw.
Danielle, comments, please. Be honest with me. I need the...
It's not how I would have cooked a barbecue sauce, and I said that the whole way through.
Can we fix this, yes or no, or are we botching it?
I don't know if we can fix it, but we'll try.
Work with each other. Come on, guys. This is for the truth. It's so cool.
I'm not sure if this is MasterChef Canada or Top Gun.
Hello and welcome, everyone. I'm honored to introduce to you Colonel David Lothian.
Welcome to 8 Wing, Canadian Forces Base Trenton, the heart of Canada's air mobility forces. Today, on behalf of the Canadian Armed Forces, I wish you success with your challenge.
Thank you, Colonel Lothian. We brought you to this military base for a unique mission.
In just 2 hours, you will be feeding 151 Canadian heroes.
Wow. Wow.
Kayla, you seem quite moved to be here. What's going on?
I'm just thinking about my grandfather. He fought in the war, and I just wish he was here to be able to see this. I just really want to win this challenge today. I'm going to give it everything for him, so.
You have a great opportunity to make him proud.
Thank you.
Here are the rules of engagement. Each team will have 2 hours to prepare and cook a delicious 12-ounce Canadian ribeye steak.
Wow.
Served with a beautiful sauce and 2 side dishes. The soldiers will taste both teams' dishes and vote for the best. The team with the most votes will win this challenge.
Think carefully about your strategy, because the losing team face a fearsome pressure test that will send one of you home.
Let's hear it. Woo-ah!
Both teams are preparing steak dinner for 151 troops when Claudio discovers a major problem with the red team's barbecue sauce.
That tastes raw.
Danielle, comments, please. Be honest with me. I need the...
It's not how I would have cooked a barbecue sauce, and I said that the whole way through.
Can we fix this, yes or no, or are we botching it?
I don't know if we can fix it, but we'll try.
Work with each other. Come on, guys. This is for the truth.
Along with the sauce, each team is prepping 2 sides to serve with their steaks.
After I blanch Brussels sprouts, throw them in a bin that has soap in it.
Oh, my God.
And I'm thinking, ooh, boy. So it turns out our bin had soap in it.
What's what?
Half of my Brussels sprouts are now in soapy water.
Can't believe we lost those Brussels sprouts.
I'm so worried that we just prepped all these Brussels sprouts and there's not enough Brussels sprouts.
There's a whole thing of potatoes still over there.
I need to get those potatoes out.
We have enough potatoes, Julie, okay?
Kayla has made the choice to no longer prep potatoes.
I'm gonna keep doing them.
No. Done on potatoes. You're done on potatoes.
And I know this is a mistake.
Let's get this going.
Get those Brussels sprouts in the oven. We don't have that many prepped yet. Pino!
Okay, hold on.
We don't have enough Brussels sprouts.
What can we throw in the Brussels sprouts? Some kale?
Kale?
Quickly, I'm thinking,
Beans. Let's put beans in it.
I need to add beans.
Yeah, maybe one more scoop.
You have now 30 minutes left, so the steaks better be on the grill soon.
Let's get those steaks on.
Danielle, how are you doing, hon? Morale is up?
You betcha. Woo!
Okay, what's happening here?
We're just starting to cook off our steaks.
Whose idea was to dip this in the hot sauce and then grill it? Was that your original idea?
No.
And so why did you change it?
Because barbecue sauce was not cooking down quick enough, so we are actually grilling it off.
You don't have a lot of time.
Yes, chef.
Okay, guys, how many steaks you got cooked, ready to go?
I have
Not too many by the looks of it.
No, not yet.
Barely any, guys.
Just when I think we're doing really well.
Pino, get down here, man.
Yes, chef. So I run down.
Look, you've got 15 steaks done. Get them going.
We're gonna get him going, chef.
Understood, chef.
Don't waste time.
In this moment, I'm thinking there's definitely a chance that we might not finish cooking all 151 steaks.
Load up those grills.
10 minutes. You have 10 minutes left. 151 troops need to be fed.
Okay, Eric, get them on the fucking grill, man.
Eric and I get those steaks loaded up as best we can, and we're just moving, we're flipping, we're feeling, we're smelling, we're grilling, and it is like meat a-flying.
Oh, boy, here they come.
Oh, shit. Here they come, you guys.
I'm just so honored. I mean, we're cooking for troops. People that put their lives at risk every single day.
Holy
What are you making?
I'm just making a quick little bourbon sauce. Kayla, I don't think we should bother.
Too late to do this already.
If it comes together, it comes. If it doesn't, it doesn't, okay?
It's not going to. You started it 5 minutes ago. You have to move one of these so I can get gloves.
Yeah. You can ask nicely.
You could listen to me the first time.
I'm in the grill tent, and all I can hear is bickering.
You haven't been listening to me this whole thing.
I have.
Actually, no, you haven't.
It sounds like an old married couple in there.
Because what happened to that sauce that you were making?
I threw it out because we don't have time.
Right, because it wasn't finished.
We're trying to get something done, and that something is feeding 151 people.
With the clock running down, both teams are scrambling to get their food out in time for service.
How are your potatoes? Good.
Are these all the potatoes we have?
Yeah.
Okay, I hope it's enough.
30 seconds. You only have 30 seconds left.
Ladies, we need one more person up here to help us serve. ASAP.
Pino, I need you up here quick. Check portions.
There's this lineup that doesn't seem to end. And I was nervous. I'm like, are we gonna have enough to serve all these people?
I tilt my head up and I see this long line of troops and I want to vomit.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go, 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 go. I got this, I got this, I got this.
Service starts now.
151 soldiers will receive a steak dinner from both the red and blue teams and vote for their favorite.
Hello. There you are.
If either team runs out of any food, their vote automatically goes to the other team.
There you go, sir. Thank you.
The red team is serving roast potatoes and a Brussels sprout and bacon hash with their steak.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We meet again.
While the blue team is pairing their steak and barbecue sauce with Brussels sprouts and beans and a couscous salad.
Couscous salad. Thank you very much. You are, enjoy.
Blue's the way to go. Woo! Go blue! Go blue!
While the blue team's service is fast and confident.
Thank you very much. Have a wonderful
Kayla
day.
is giving her steaks a last-minute sear on the flat top.
Get it a little hot for you.
And it's holding up the line.
Can we speed this along?
Kayla, we need the line to move, so no more grilling. Just do it. Yeah, you got it.
They're slowing you down over there? A little bit? Oh, they slowed down! Let's go blue!
Once the troops receive meals from both teams, they head into the dining area.
This Brussels sprout bacon thing is delish.
I'm really enjoying the steak.
Medium rare, you got it.
It's partway through service, and the red team has gotten their speed under control.
Thank you.
Kayla.
Yeah?
I'm worried. This is all we have left. You have 3 more plates.
My stomach is sinking because I know that every single troop member that does not get Brussels sprouts on their plate is an automatic vote to the blue team.
If you're not a Brussels sprout eater, we won't be offended. Brussels sprouts out.
Brussels sprouts are out. I know that this is going to cost us the challenge.
151 troops at Canadian Forces Base Trenton are digging into steak dinners from both teams. But the red team has run out of Brussels sprouts.
I'm really sorry about the Brussels sprouts.
And for every person that doesn't get a side, that vote goes to the blue team.
Brussels sprouts are out.
Could we give you guys extra potatoes? Kayla, that's not a great idea.
I knew we weren't gonna have enough potatoes, and we told Kayla that.
We're almost out of potatoes too, by the way.
Hi, how are you?
And she just said, just keep smiling.
That extra pan would have been perfect.
Julie portioned them, so Julie was completely 100% responsible for the potatoes.
Kayla, when I wanted to do the extra potatoes, this is why. The last of the potatoes, Kayla, we're done. Hey.
I'm very sorry, sir. I don't have any more slides to give you. I apologize.
Come on through, guys. Don't be shy.
Come on through. Oh, they're finished all their sides.
Oh, they ran out. I really hope you guys enjoy our sides.
Yeah.
They're lovely.
Oh, what the fuck?
You ran out of sides. Choose the team who has some sides.
In my opinion, the red team had hit the steak bang on.
I'm gonna have to say the blue plate. Thought overall it had a lot of flavor.
I hear that there was a little problem.
Choose the team who has some sides.
I'll be right back. Excuse me.
Blue's the way to go. Blue's the way to go.
Just when I started getting some confidence.
Pino! Pino, I need you down here right now.
So I run down.
I've had a complaint. It's cold. It should not be served cold. Replated. Fresh vegetables. Fresh couscous.
Very sorry, chef.
ASAP, okay? Hustle, hustle, hustle.
This is one cold steak that's come back. But how many did we send out like this?
Is that hot enough?
We're gonna lose this competition because we're sending out cold steaks. It's embarrassing.
Thank you, Pino. Excuse me. One fresh hot steak.
Thank you very much.
Please enjoy it and accept our apologies.
Okay, let's clean up.
Now that service is over, the judges canvass the troops for their comments.
How are you feeling about the food in general?
Good.
It was really good.
Fantastic. So the blue team?
Yep. A lot of vegetables.
And what do you think of the red team here?
It was just a little bland, like there wasn't a lot of flavor.
Do you think that both the blue team and the red team should go behind enemy lines for doing this?
Colonel Lothian, so which one do you prefer the taste of?
The red team did an amazing job on the steak. I like medium rare, and they absolutely nailed it. But what I really like on the blue side is what they did with the couscous and the beans.
I think overall they did a great job because they put out 151 steaks in a very short period of time.
It was a difficult challenge. You know, working in a small kitchen like that, equipment that you're not used to, sure, they pulled a rabbit out of the hat to some extent.
Well, I think they really spent way too much time on the barbecue sauce. I was surprised they got it out. But you want to know something? The troop like it. That's most important.
Well, we'll find out which one they like best.
It's a huge honor to cook for the Canadian Forces.
It is a very humbling experience.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Members of the Canadian Armed Forces, it's been an honor and a privilege to cook for you today. Now you get to tell us which team's entree you like best.
The troops will cast their votes by placing a red or blue flag into one of these helmets. The team with the least number of flags will face the upcoming pressure test.
We're very confident with what we did, but there's a chance that Red could win this. We got a steak sent back to us that was cold. Who knows? Maybe a lot of our steaks could have been cold.
I am dreading another pressure test, so I'm hoping a miracle happens.
Red team, blue team. It's time to find out which team's dish most impressed our Canadian heroes.
Will it be the red team's steak with roast potatoes and Brussels sprout hash, or the blue team's with couscous salad and a Brussels sprout bean mixture?
The votes have been counted. The winning team, with 107 of 151 votes, is... Come on. Come on, Blue.
How the hell did they get 107? When I hear that the blue team gets 107 votes, it's like salt on a wound.
Red team, tomorrow you will face the dreaded pressure test.
We'll see you back at the MasterChef kitchen.
This is the first time I've lost a team challenge, and it shouldn't have happened. It's bad. It's like a knife through my heart right now.
I'm done right now, actually.